Hello guys, I'm Rajiv and welcome back to my channel RajivCodeLab. So guys, in today's lab, I'm going to show you how to control LED using MQTT. So guys, if you have not watched previous video where we have set up the MQTT on Windows machine, so please do watch because that video is really prerequisite for this. So guys, on this video we are going to use Node Red, and by using Node Red we are going to publish and subscribe. So guys, to control the LED we are going to publish, and for read the temperature sensor value we are going to subscribe. So let's come to the PC and get it started. So guys, the first step is to download the library. So we'll come here, and here we need to search for MQTT.simple. Okay. Okay, so it's downloaded, and here you can see .simple we have. Okay, so now let's start importing. So first let's import the network for connecting to the Wi-Fi. Then from MQTT.simple import MQTT client. Okay, now let's start first connecting to the Wi-Fi, and also let's define our MQTT broker. So MQTT broker equals to, here we need to provide our IP address, system IP address. So let me just open command prompt and ipconfig. So it's 1.5. okay, so let me just try the same, 192.168.1.5. okay, and then next one is port. So we know like port, like it's running on 1883, so that's we provide here. And then MQTT client ID, which this one we can just give like Pico. Okay, Pico client. Okay, that's all. Now let's start writing the code for connecting to the Wi-Fi. So let me just write this command: connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now let me create the instance of. So now let's create this network dot LAN. STA if, and we need to make as active true. Perfect. Now we'll write for the connecting. So here we need to provide our SSID and password. So Airtel. Okay, and password is okay. Now we'll write while not LAN dot is connected. We need to import the time, guys, so that we can just hold. I mean, basically it's not connected, and we'll wait for 1 second. So let me import the time. Okay, now let's time dot sleep, and here like 1 second, and then we'll come out, and here we'll write connected to Wi-Fi. Perfect. So now let's save this, guys, and then we'll write the code for connecting to the MQTT basically. Okay, so let me just save like main.py. okay, let me just try to run. Something is on no model MQTT. Sorry, here we need to have a MQTT. That's what this library, right? MQTT.simple. okay, that's what. So now it's fine. Yeah, perfect, connected to the Wi-Fi. Let me just make it Okay, perfect. Now let's write the code for connecting to the MQTT. Okay, so before that, guys, I want you to just verify that whether your MQTT is running or not. Okay, so for that you can just type like this: netstat -n, then find str, and like we know, like it's running on 1883 port, so we'll just query for that, and it's fine. Okay, so it's listening, you can see. So let's create instance. So MQTT client equals to MQTT client. Okay, and then here we need to pass the parameters like client ID equals like we have defined our MQTT client ID, then we'll pass the same. Then next would be the server, which is our local IP address. Okay, and then the last one would be the port basically. So port equals, let me just provide this. Perfect. Now we can just test this, like whether it's connecting or not. Okay, so let me just try to MQTT client dot connect. Okay, to see that whether it's connecting or not. Okay, so let's print here, print connected to MQTT broker. Okay, okay, now let's save and just try it out. Oh, perfect. Okay, so guys, here I would like to tell you one thing. So if you are not able to connect, okay, if you reach till here and you are not able to connect, then what you have to do is you need to open your configuration file, a mosquito configuration file basically. So if you come here, this is my I mean installation directory. So here what you have to do is open this file, and let me open here only, and just search for listener. Okay, so I have already added, so you will see the block listener, right? So what you have to do is you have to just uncomment and provide like 1883 that port, and 0000 means whatever the port like IP system is running. Okay, you can think it as a local host, and after that you need to just restart the service. Okay, that's all. So I have already done, so that's what I thought to share with you, else you might struck. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's create the basically the topic which we are going to publish and subscribe. So guys, we are going to control two LEDs. Okay, for that let's first import the machine. Okay, import machine, and let's create here for both LED green equals to machine dot pin, and it's connected to GPIO 0, so that's what I'm providing, machine dot pin dot out. Okay, now let's write the same for the red. Okay, LED red. Okay, so the next thing is, guys, what we have to do is let's define the topics. Let me just write the subscribe topics. Okay, so let's define here like sub topic and red LED equals. So here, guys, you can give any name. Okay, but I'm giving it as standard LED gray. Okay, LED red, and then slash topic. Okay, the same you can give. Okay, so same let's do for the green, and here let's make it as a green. Okay, so this is for the subscription, guys. Okay, we are going to control this from the Node Red. Okay, so that's why like it's subscribe. Now we are also going to publish the temperature, basically inbuilt temperature from the Pico. Okay, that we are going to publish. So let me publish topic publish topic. So let's say pub topic and temperature equals, here I can give like temperature slash topic. Okay, now we are good. So now guys, we need to define the callback basically. So let's say once we subscribe to these topics, so we need to like first define the callback so that we can get the topic and message. Okay, so let's write the code here after yeah, let's write here. Okay, so def callback, and here we'll be receiving topic and message. Okay, message. Okay, so here for now let's do just like received message, and here let's write the message, sorry, msg, and then on topic. Okay, and here we can give like on topic, let me just give one a space. Okay, hyphen, that's fine. Okay, and topic is like whatever topic we receive. Okay, that's fine. So basically we are going to control the LED from here only. Okay, so in the next line like we are going to write, so I will tell you once we go there. Okay, so basically I'm trying to go a step by step so that you can easily understand. Okay, so okay, now let me just add this callback to this MQTT client. So MQTT client dot set callback, and here we need to write give the function name, which is callback. Okay, perfect. So this is fine now. And guys, we are going to basically like I said, we are going to publish the temperature. So for that, let's write the code for read the temperature. Okay, then we'll call basically that will publish. Okay, so let me just get it. You know, like already I have written code for that, so like I'm just trying to copy that, which is temperature. Okay, this one. So guys, this is like the gist where I push all the codes. Whatever code I write here, again I will push here, so just keep checking. Okay, read temperature that we are going to take. Okay, so let me just copy here. Let's use the try. Let me just scroll up a little bit. Let me close this cell, guys. So try, and then while true, here we'll write MQTT client dot check msg. So basically this function already it's there in this file basically. Okay, so whoever written this library, they have provided this. Okay, so we don't need to do anything, so this will be taken care. Okay, so now let's first publish the message. Okay guys, so let me write that. So I'm just defining one variable for the reading the temperature. Okay, read temperature. So let's print this here, temperature temp. Let me define the temp str. I'm going to convert this into the string to the just for publishing. Okay, so str and temperature. Okay, that's fine. Now let's publish this MQTT client dot publish. Okay, and we are going to publish on this topic, right? So let me just copy that topic where we done. Okay, this pub temperature, right? So that we need to pass here, and in the second parameter what we are going to publish, so that we are going to publish this. Okay guys, and guys here we need to do encoding. Okay, because it's like byte string, so we need a string. For that we need to convert this to encode and UTF-8. I hope you are aware with this. Okay, UTF-8, and that's all. Let me now okay, I think I'm missing on bracket. Yeah, perfect. So now let me just write this. Okay, like uh, topic published or let me write temp published, and guys, let me just print this temperature here. Okay, so let me just remove this. I just added for I mean to show you like what is coming here and what we are receiving on the Node Red. Okay, that's all. So this is fine. Let's not continuously like check message and publish. So like in every 1 second or 2 second we can just publish, I mean read the temperature and publish. So I'm just giving it as a 2 second. Okay, so now fine. Now let me close this. Now let's write this disconnected, and also we need to basically close the connection. So basically we need to disconnect MQTT also. Okay, that's fine. Now let's save this. Okay, now guys, we are good at the publishing. Okay, so that we can see also. Let me just try to run and I will show you like how it is coming. Okay, temp published. Okay, it's coming here, right? And let me just write the code for controlling the LED. But before that, I just want to show you like what we are receiving and how, because controlling LED is a small code, so that will write. So now let's come to the Node Red and basically configure the publishing and subscribing. Okay, so for that I'm opening the Node Red CMD. Okay, so Node Red. Okay, perfect. Now we need to come here and localhost 1880. Okay, perfect. Not right now. So guys, what you have to do is you have to come here in the network, and for the subscription let's add this, and here if you hover you can see that it's clearly saying for the subscribe, right? So we are going to subscribe the temperature which we are publishing here. Okay, that we are going to subscribe, and then we'll publish from here to control the LED. Okay, so let's configure this. Okay, now we need to provide the topic here. So for the temperature, what is the topic? Yeah, it's temperature slash topic. Okay, so let's make it and 0, and like in the previous video already we have created the MQTT server. And guys, if you have not watched that video, just click on the I button and do watch, because that is the prerequisite for this one. And if you are already expert on like setting up MQTT broker, okay, then it's good for you, you can just ignore. Okay, so this is fine. Now we are going to see this on the let me just give the name also, guys. So sub and then temp. Okay, okay, so we are going to see that on the debug. Okay, so let me just drag and connect, and we are good. Oh, you can see guys, it's started coming. Okay, so all good. So guys, now we are going to publish and we are going to control those two LEDs. So the most excited part. Okay, so let's come here, and guys, I have not subscribed for those topics, so like this two topic first I have to subscribe. Okay, then it will work. Okay, so let me just subscribe here. After this, MQTT dot sub MQTT client dot subscribe, and I need to give the name red LED. Okay, and let me just copy this for the green. Okay, now let me stop, and we are good. Okay, now let me again run, and let me clear this. Everything working fine. Okay, perfect. Now let me just drag this. Okay, now let me just add, sorry, for the publishing. Okay, so for publishing you can see this here for the publishes. Okay, here it's already written, so you can just come here, and guys, like, we need to control the LEDs like on and off. Okay, for that what you have to do is we need to take basically we need to inject from here. Okay, so we need to add this injector here, and so by default it's come as a timestamp, so we need to change. Okay, so let's start from here first, and for the red LED, what is here is the topic name. Okay, so for the red, this is a topic. Perfect. And we need to make as a 0 key OS label. Okay, now we are good. Now on this timestamp, let's double click and change this value to number. Okay, and let's send 1. Okay, 1 means on, so that's what I'm going to make. Red LED red on. Okay, and again I'm just doing going to, so let's copy this and make it as off. For off we just need to just make a 0. Okay, then now both we need to connect with this. Okay, okay, perfect. Now let me just LED red on, off. Okay, now let me deploy. Okay, all good. Now let me just come here and trigger, so it's injected, and here you can see, guys, so you can see the message is like B1. Okay, that's because we have not decoded. Okay, so that we have to decode, like while sending we are encoding here. If you see, we are using encode UTF-8, so the same we need to use for the decoding, like we need to write decode. So let me just stop here and message dot decode. Okay, so then you will get the proper message format. Perfect. Oops, sorry, topic dot decode. Okay, now let me try once again. Okay, now let's turn on, and here you will see 1 perfect. Topic name is also perfect. There is no B hyphen with, because that's a byte string. Okay, now I'm just turning off, so we'll receive 0. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now let's duplicate this for the green one. Okay, so copy, and let me pull down this. Okay, and okay, perfect. Now for this one, let me give the name also, guys. So I have not given the name, that's why it's just taken the topic. Okay, so just like make meaningful, I'm just giving a name. So this one I'm just doing LED green. Okay, and topic would be green. Okay, LED green, and here I'm just making LED red. And this one, guys, we can just make LED on and off. Okay, because again there is no need to give the name like LED red or what. Okay, so this is fine, and LED on, LED off. Okay, perfect. So let's deploy this. Okay, and again let's try this. So now I'm going to turn the green one, turn on. So yeah, here you can see LED green. Okay, so yes, subscribe to this. Okay, perfect. Now the final code, guys, to control the LED, which is very easy. Okay, so let me just write where we are receiving callback. We need to come to the callback. Yes, here. So here we need to just write if topic dot decode. we need to decode, guys, so that we can compare. Okay, so decode UTF-8, okay, equals now our topic for, let's say, LED red. Okay, perfect. Now here we have defined like LED red, I think, yeah, LED red, LED red, that's perfect. Dot value, and here int. Again, what we can do, guys, let me just write this way. So, and instead of encoding each time, let's write like message equals this, cut message equals to this, and subtopic I'm giving, okay, subtopic and sub msg. Okay, so for this one I'm just making it as here, so that it would be easier, guys, to compare, because each time I need to again do I need to write the same code again and again, so which is not a good practice. So that's why I'm making here as this and this. Okay, now we have perfect. Now what we are going to compare with this, the topic subtopic is fine, so we already copied. So subtopic, if subtopic equals red one, okay, then what we need to do is we need to convert the value, and I believe no need to convert, let's see. Okay, so LED red dot value, and here we need to just provide the message. Perfect. So this is for the red LED. Now we are going to write elif, and the same thing with minor adjustment. So subtopic is equals to green LED, then the same, just copy paste. Okay, and here we're going to make as a green. Okay, let me just stop. Now save. Okay, so now let's try whether it's working or not. Okay, guys, so now just let me turn on. Perfect. Now let me turn on the screen. Perfect. Now let me turn off, and it seems it's not working. Okay, that's the reason. Just I wanted to show you. So we need to typecast this. Okay, we need to convert. Okay, and let me just quickly do this. Int. Okay, because that's coming as a string, guys. So on it is working, but off not working. Okay, so that's the behavior. So guys, now let me just turn off first. Both I have triggered, both off. Okay, now let's test properly. Okay, so LED on, perfect. Green on, perfect. Green off, perfect. Red off, perfect. And guys, this is also working fine. Okay, everything is fine. So hope you like this video, guys, and if you have any queries, just ask me in the comment box. And guys, in the next video we are going to create a nice dashboard, and from the dashboard basically we are going to control these LEDs, and also we'll add like a gauze for the reading the temperature. So we'll see in the realistic. Okay, so because now it's just we see in the debug. Okay, so I'm not adding here, guys, because again the video length would be too much. I hope you like the video, guys. If you really like, consider supporting me by just buying me a coffee on my Buy Me Coffee page. And also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.